अच्छा, वहाँ पोल्यूशन नहीं है इसका।
क्या है वो? क्या है वो? ऑरेंज क्या है? वो ऑरेंज कलर का ना पत्थरों पे।
हाँ,
जहाँ पत्थरों में ऑरेंज कलर में दिखने लग गया।
वाह। This is Swamiji from Ujjain telling that if you see this orange color on the stones, it means the place is unpolluted, untouched.
Yellow.
And yellow also, that's the grass or something, or algae I think. But that's the beauty, and that would be only possible at the abode of that Lord Shiva, the Almighty. That's unpolluted and untouched.
आत्मा त्वं गिरिजामतिः सचराः प्राणाः शरीरं ग्रहम् पूजाति विषयोपभोगरचना निद्रा समाधिस्थितिः सञ्चारः पदयोः प्रदक्षिणविधिः स्तोत्राणि सर्वा गिरौ यद्यत् कर्म करोमि तत्तदखिलं शम्भो तवाराधनं शम्भो तवाराधनम् अतीतः पन्थानां तव च महिमा वाङ् मनसयो अतद्व्यावृत्यायं चकितमभिधत्ते श्रुतिरपि स कस्य स्तोतव्य कतिविधगुणः कस्य विषयः पदे परवाचीने पतति न मनः कस्य न वचः मधुस्फीता वाचः परममृतं निर्मितवतः तव ब्रह्मन् किं वाक् अपि सुरगुरो विस्मयपदम् मम त्वेतां वाणीं गुणकथनपुण्येन भवतः पुनामीत्यर्थेऽस्मिन् पुरमथन बुद्धिर्व्यवसिता तवैश्वर्यं यत्तज् जगदुदय रक्षा प्रलयकृत् त्रैवस्तु व्यस्तं त्रिषु गुणिभिन्नासु तनुषु अभव्यानाम् अस्मिन् वरदरमणीयां मरमणि।
This is our first glimpse of very clear Kailash. One sing on one side. You can call it Bhagavati because after all Shakti is there. And then you can see is zooming in Adinath, Adipati, Mahadev. That's the divine view darshan of Kailash with the Shiva Ganga in the center. The clearest view till now from the Mansur world, so the better than that we are having now, and so clear because our faith is there. So Lord is also so happy, blessing us with all the powers. We've been walking down from a long distance, and this is a beautiful sight. You can see the snow on Kailash, and as in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna says, in Parvat I am Kailash. So you can have that trinity also here, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And then the frozen lake, as if this is the Ganga, which is just coming down. It is that soul, because it turns into the purest of the water, which I saw. So in the drinking also, that was the purest of the water coming.
निर्णामेको गम्यस्त्वमसि पयसामर्णव इव महोक्षः खट्वाङ्गं परशुरजनिं भस्मफणिनः कपालं च कियत्तव वरदतन्त्रोपकरणम् सुरास्तां तां वृद्धिं ददति तु भवद्भ्रू.
First glimpse we had of Kailash, the divine darshan. And now it comes, here it comes, the lovely chap who's been taking that all painstakingly efforts for this video, this coverage for all of us. This is Surendra from Kerala, and he is walking there down. Please always remember, it's really one of the toughest jobs to hold a camera for so long. He has been skipping his lunch, breakfast, and sometimes everything, but he's in love with God. Yesterday he did Surya Namaskar in that much of cold at Mansarovar, and that was a beautiful part at the Tat of Mansarovar. God's always with him. He is nowadays living at Gangotri, and he is doing that great worship to him. That is something he's checking. He's checking it because, sometimes it's very risky also, because the snow is very weak. You step on it and it falls. But see the beautiful thing, what he's showing now me. This is beautiful tunnel made underwater, the tunnel of snow. And
अरे बाबा अरे निकालो उसको अब.
and this is the Kailash, and I do the naman to it. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. What do you call it? What do you call it? Karam Poche. This is the center of the world. Good. This is the center of the world, told by one of the followers of Buddhism. From Toronto, Canada, capturing it. Aren't I sitting with faith, offering prayer to Shiva and Vishnu and Nandi and Shyamji, and now the panning towards and the group of Nagpur and Pune, and then from the ground level we go up, and that's the Almighty in your view, in your sight. Whenever you look at it, even in the DVD of it, you are having the blessings direct from this faith. In the middle you see the jata of Shankar, from which that Ganga emits and flows down, giving life to millions and millions in India and everywhere in the world. And then on the right side you see one mountain with slight decoration of the snow, like the Nandi of Shiva should be decorated. That's the decoration you see on one side of this Nandi. This is the Nandi. I do my naman to Nandi. Jai Nandi, Jai Kailash. And then if we pan our camera to the left side of it, then this big span of the mountain you see. Forgive my words, I'm speaking only in the words of geography, but this is revered as Ashtapad, the place for Vishnu. So you have a trinity here again, and the clouds you see on the Mount Kailash, Shiva Adi-Shakti doing the Abhishek again, the same thing we saw at Mansarovar. This is the Abhishek by the clouds, and they bring nectar to the life. And then we would be following to Shalingompa. That's the place in there,